Hi, and welcome back to Pi m Squared. Today we'll be going over the number 7 problem of the 2019 Pi m Squared team round. Joe has a paper circle of radius 6. He cuts out a sector measuring 120 degrees, and he joins the straight edges to form a cone. What is the volume of the cone? Answer in simplest radical form in terms of pi. Okay, so it's a geometry problem, so for all geometry problems, you always draw first. So let's draw the original circle. It has a radius of 6, and we cut out a sector measuring 120 degrees. So let's say that's about here. So 120 degrees is, of course, 1/3 of the circle. And what we really need to know from this circle is that we join this part together. So if we have this sector, we're going to join this part with this part. So what happens is this entire length here, that's going to become the circumference of the base. And this part is going to be this part of the cone, the slant height, this part. So that we know will be 6. So if we draw the cone out already, that's a bad cone. I'll draw another cone. So let's say you have a cone. Okay, so we already know that the slant height is going to be the radius, which is 6. But we want to know what this radius is. And to do so, we need to know what the circumference of this circle is, which is consequently the length of this. To find that, we have to find the circumference of the original circle, which should be diameter times pi, which is 12 pi, and a third of that, so it's 4 pi. So the circumference of this equals 4 pi, which means that the diameter is equal to 4, the radius is equal to 2. So that radius is 2, and now we're just left with a simple Pythagorean problem to figure out the height. So we have 6 here, 2 here, 36 minus 4 is equal to, let's say this is x squared equals 32, x is equal to square root of 32, which is the same thing as 4 square root of 2. So we have everything we need to find the volume of the cone. As you probably know, but just in case you don't, the volume of a cone is equal to 1/3 pi times r squared times height. So if we follow this formula, volume will be 1/3 times pi times 2 squared times 4 square root of 2, which is equal to pi over 3 times 16 root 2, which is equal to 16 pi square root of 2 over 3. So that should be the answer of this math problem. So all you really need to do for these types of problems is just visualize and figure out what you need and how to get what you need from what you had before. All right? Thank you for watching.